Hey guys, it's the Sun from the Mother&Son Co, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how you can make these amazing looking cardboard decorations at your home only. So step 1 is to find some cardboard, assemble them in such manner and putting tapes on each side for support. Step 2 is to apply some tape on the rough edges or corners of the cardboard. To solidify the cardboard, in step 3, we will use white cement which you can buy at your nearest hardware shop. Mix it in water and then apply the mixture on the cardboard. And once you're done with the white cement, your cardboard should look like this. Now to be able to hang these cardboards on your wall, you would have to use wires and small hole punched steel sheets which can be brought from your nearest hardware shop. With the help of a sharp object, punch 2 holes on the back of the cardboard and pass the wire through it, and then put the hole punched sheet on top of it, securing this by tying a knot with the wire. Make sure to apply tape around the back and front of the wire for safety. For the next step, we will use rag mark or abrasive paper and scrub off the extra white cement. Now for this step, you have full freedom as to whatever form of paint or color you want to use for the cardboard decoration. My mom went for the traditional method of buying paint and then using it. Depends on your preference, the method and the shade of color. After letting the paint dry for a few hours, this is what your outcome would look like. Now this was a different type of video and I hope you guys learned something. Hitting the thumbs up button helps us out a lot, and subscribe if you haven't. This has been the Sun from the Mother&Son Co signing off. Bye bye.